Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off Etsy ads. Are you spending money on Etsy ads but not seeing results? Or maybe you just want to pause your ads budget for now? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the Etsy ads step by step, plus when you actually should and shouldn't turn them off. Now let's start. The first thing you want to do is to log into Etsy.com. You're gonna go and search in your web browser for Etsy.com and make sure to sign in to your seller's account. You can do that by signing into your account and then clicking on this drop down profile and click on the option become a seller. Once you click on it, you're going to be directed to this page where you're going to fill in information about your store, such as payment card infos, etc. So make sure to enter all the infos. Once you enter all the infos, you're going to click on the shop manager. It's the same icon. And then you're going to click on marketing. You're going to click and select Etsy ads. And after that, you're going to turn off the ads. At the top of the Etsy ads dashboard, you're going to toggle off your advertising and confirm when prompted. And then your ads will stop running immediately. Now, turning off Etsy ads does not affect your organic search rankings, but it will stop paid traffic instantly. Now, if you're not profitable, you can turn off the ads, and if you're reworking listings, and also if you're testing new pricing. Now, when you shouldn't turn off your ads is during high traffic seasons, and if your ads are generating profit. And that's it. That's how you turn off Etsy ads the right way. Always analyze performance before making decisions. Smart advertising is about data, not emotions. And if this helped, like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.